We know our situation here in Tripura. Very well we know. I don't know, we have here no school, no rules, no nothing. Ayah tiba, angkok korban sarai di sana buku sini, buku sini beli. Okay, so I think better I speak angkok korban gitu. So one suku ini, tini 36 year over the academic year complete money. Back then we had to think, uklog was one sunanan. Uklog no, siang ke bus kang abu mi. No, uklog no itu nal. Uklog bono no, sini kotoma, laibuma. Sini borok tini laibuma sia. Seng sabo tamo sia. We don't know who we are, who I am. Aja kan abu khobja bipai. So tini jeng itu is a developing. We need to move. Tebo kanai hai. Enggak 36 years sekarang betul cengka. Orang yang okra rok bat ini cera rok kepo segala kasih. They will never think also. These children we follow up the story and the history. Sabo jaga di kenal jaga. That's why I just inquire who donate this land, this part a small portion of land. Kadang kamu enggak. So we have to respect them, salute them, honor them. And back then after me bini committee bororo, kami ni bororo, boroni bhumika, guardian dong. Bawa hayeng kana, bukan cost oke borok kena. It was challenging. Tahu sih easy hoito, but still then we have many challenges na. Tahu buhay. Ngang boni bagai puilano, jaga portion English medium school, apro ko kus kerisi na habo. Kerito, orang Jacob sar Muni aro dong boklai mani obahai kabama school boklo ka kundura. Bo bolongo thamani sekang bokai kya phai boklai kya abahai angje siman mon. Dia ba kri cholia. English medium school khulo kangai English baita por di hijago. Oro bolongi borok hijana hijago apurgo. Vision that. Apurungi chora wahai. Ang aborno sana thana ngi that is something political. Ini orto political issue biya. But we political in saimanu consciousness to khaiman ngi. I am not a political leader now. Of course, 36 years. Tabok sunggo. It is same to same actually. We NLT Sungbo Foundation Klaika in 1989 actually. That is 12 March. So, abno wan sukang guys yang tini jantung school by same year same go klai. Ang belai kena nangza kata ba. Sung saiman pro saiman no apro ko bobo hai ke ceng kana do. Boni bagai ani kongkai, jeng okra rono borom di mana? Oh borom rono jeng kini mutu datang ko, borom ki katang datang ko, borom bomo ki jeng kuno kai ni deh. This you have nungsing wan sunan nangai. Ayah ke jeng obah hai kamai no tanai jauh, tapi ni generation do pogi thamu yo hai.